Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video, where we'll tackle a common problem that many users face when dealing with USB drives on a Linux machine. The problem we'll be addressing today is related to a new Kingston USB drive not being detected properly on a busybox system. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to access the data on your drive. Let's dive into the solution to this problem. In the solution provided, we first need to understand how USB drives are represented in the system. They're usually located in the dev folder with paths such as devsda, devsda, and so on. These paths represent the physical drives, but to access the partitions, we need to delve deeper. Now, to explore the partitions on a specific drive, in this case devsda, we can use the command fdisk devsda. This command will display detailed information about the drive, including its size, sectors, and any existing partitions. Understanding this information is crucial in order to identify any issues with the drive. Taking a closer look at the output of the fdisk command, we can see detailed information about the drive, including its size, sectors, and disk identifier. The key here is to identify if the drive has a recognizable partition table. In our case, the drive displayed an unknown partition table, indicating that the partitions were not recognized by the system. To address the unrecognized partitions, we need to delete them using the fdisk utility. By running fdisk devsda without any arguments, we can access the interactive mode of fdisk. From there, we can delete the existing partitions, create new ones, and set them up accordingly. This step is crucial in preparing the drive for proper recognition by the system. Once the partitions have been reconfigured, the final step is to format the partition using the nkfs.fat command. This command will format the partition with a specified file system, in this case, FAT32, and label it appropriately. After completing these steps, the USB drive should now be recognized by the busybox system, allowing you to access and use it seamlessly. In summary, we've successfully troubleshooted the issue with the unrecognized USB drive on a Linux system by understanding the partition scheme, deleting existing partitions, creating new ones, and formatting the drive correctly. Hopefully, this solution proves helpful to you as well. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy computing!